Hey everyone, so you're probably wondering why did Shiba Inu explode so much? And there's two reasons for this. Be sure to drop a like and watch the video until the end because I'll be fully explaining this one. But for first thing we can see is actually Shiba Inu being at up 13%. That's awesome. Its volume is up 50%, which is crazy. And the first thing we have to note is Shiba Swap coming up. Now, that will massively increase the price. It's not even out yet, but we did get some proof that it does exist. The next thing we have, though, is much more important, and that is Elon Musk's new announcement. There's a lot to look into here. Elon Musk clarifies that Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. Now, that is old news that we got. In early Monday morning, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has said the company has not sold any Bitcoin. In a Twitter exchange Sunday afternoon, Musk has implied that the electric vehicle maker sold or may sell the rest of his Bitcoin holdings, sending the price of cryptocurrency down. Now, this is what happened in May. Musk has been a big supporter of cryptocurrencies, helping rally the prices of digital coins, including Bitcoin, several times in the past year. So we're not sure why he would exactly tweet that. Maybe, he wants a big change. But this is exactly what happened right now. Bitcoin dips 40K as Musk says Tesla may use crypto in the future. And Musk's latest tweet will put the juice to the upside, a market observer said. And he's saying that we're going to be seeing, some positives. So I'm going to go through the briefs here. But CEO Elon Musk said that the electric car maker would accept cryptocurrency as an alternative payment subject to miners meeting the environmental standard. So I'm guessing not only Bitcoin, but he will also be accepting other cryptocurrencies. Maybe even Shiba Inu, maybe Dogecoin. The Bitcoin price was 40K as of Coordinated Universal Time. Buyers stepped in on Sunday after Musk tweeted that Tesla will allow Bitcoin transactions again when there's a confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage by miners with a positive future trend. Musk's latest tweet is net positive for Bitcoin because it can not only give a benchmark for Tesla to deem the cryptocurrency carbon neutral, but it will force mining groups to publicize information, actually revealing a lot of things, therefore making the entire mining operations more transparent and environmental, social, and governance friendly. This is not only a thing now miners will have to provide more info. This is much bigger. Now governments will see what the miners are doing, when they're doing, how much they're actually expanding. Is it friendly? Is it regulated? And this will bring a lot of bigger countries such as India, China into cryptocurrency. Maybe. Nick McKinney, a research analyst at the Trade Chain, has actually stated that. It will put the juice to the upside, and we can see, big people, very influential ones, talking about this. Our 5-day simple moving average crossed through the 20-day average, whatever that means. But a bullish movement is happening. Now, there's a lot of things that could be happening overall, but the market could rise to 42K, and that is exciting. The widely tracked 200-day simple moving average is located at 42K. So they're basically predicting we're going to be reaching 42K due to these. Elon Musk finally doing a good thing and driving the prices of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin up. Tesla first announced Bitcoin as a payment option in February, only to suspend it early May on environmental concerns. So maybe it was actually environmental concerns. While market move has improved in the past 24 hours, caution ahead of the Federal Reserve rate decision due Wednesday may keep gains in check. So that's really nice. We're going to be seeing, the federal rate decision on Wednesday, and the Fed's liquidity boosting monetary policy has come under fire in the recent weeks, with foremost central bank officials, economists, and market participants calling it inappropriate amid inflation concerns. I'm guessing they're calling Bitcoin really bad because it is very volatile, but in the future it will not be. Rather ironic to leave whining about the Fed, yet without the Fed and its explanatory policies, the price of Bitcoin would be 90% lower, said Alex Kruger. So that's what we're seeing so far, a lot of things going on. And if we check over here, Tesla will resume taking Bitcoin as payment once miners go 50% green. And if we check, Musk halted Tesla's months-old crypto foray in mid-May, citing environmental concerns. Now, this is big news. He dropped this just today, actually, which caused, just look at my screen, it's all green. Dogecoin being up 6%, but we can see Shiba Inu being up even more, being up 15%. That is awesome news. Also reiterates his defense as having sold sold 10% of the electric vehicle maker's Bitcoin stash in Q1 and will also seem to indicate the company hasn't sold anymore. So they are still holding the Bitcoin. The comments provide a first benchmark for reinstating Bitcoin payments as Tesla. So this could be actually pretty big news from what I'm seeing so far. Also some good idea for the government to actually pick up Bitcoin as a payment. This is inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10% of holdings to confirm Bitcoin could be liquidated easily without moving the market. And that's pretty important to know. You don't want to crash the market by selling Bitcoin. When there's a confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy users by miners with positive trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. This is bringing a lot of attention to Bitcoin overall. Musk's tweet may have been pro-lend to the price of Bitcoin, which started a sharp upward trend move about an hour after the tweet was sent. In recent trading, Bitcoin was changing hands at 39K, and now we're seeing more and more. So we're seeing big updates so far. Everyone is speaking up on this. Every single news outlet now talking, and from the big dip, we might be seeing a big increase. Now, there is something I want to show you. Shiba Inu might drop in price. Even if the Shiba swap releases, we all saw what happened. The big thing here, though, Bitcoin option smile shows market fearful of downside despite Tesla news. So some big investors have put ahead, that this coin will crash. They have bet on it that Bitcoin will actually crash. So that's something you have to know. I wouldn't look too much into it. I think Shiba Swap will still grow seriously in the long term because from what we're seeing so far, this is exciting news and speaks of extreme fears and continued demand for downside hedges. So people are saying, or people are betting, that the coin will fall again, that Shiba will fall, that Bitcoin will fall. But right now, we gotta enjoy the green market for how long it lasts. Now, obviously, this could be, just more people betting that it would actually fall back again because what goes up must go down. But call option represents the right to buy and put the right to sell. So option smile for June 15 to June 18 expires charted by analytics. We can see some sort of a smile. We can see that it might crash once again, but in the long run, by 2021, everything should be stable. Now, here's my personal opinion from my own research. From what I see over here, people think, Bitcoin will crash once again. I think this is definitely possible. I think that will definitely be happening. But with this good news, this is great news to actually get Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood, to get Shiba Swap launching, to massively spike up the price. The best time is now. Yes, I do think, and this is not financial advice, that the crypto market will crash again. I think we all see it coming. The biggest, most important thing right now is to focus on the present, releasing Robinhood, releasing Shiba Swap, taking advantage of this, and actually having big updates. So if Robinhood gets, if Shiba Inu gets on Robinhood, that will be huge. That will bring so many new investors in that simply just want to buy a few SHIBs out there and profit. So far, we're seeing still a green market. Maybe we'll see a crash, maybe we won't. But with Shiba Swap, I'm looking at a very positive at its highest right now. So that's really awesome. With Elon Musk tweeting about this is good news for Shiba Swap and Shiba Inu because this has raised more than any other coin. So Bitcoin being up 13%. If we check the last 7 days, we can see Shiba Inu growing massively. So we go over here. I think Shiba Inu has grown more than any other coin right now. So we check, it's like the top 10, 30% up. The only others are actually growing is Uniswap and Sushi Swap and so on, which are gonna be trading more cryptocurrencies during this big rise. But such exciting news for today. Do let me know what you think and be sure to leave a like. See you until next time. Peace, everyone.